Hey there folks, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be trying a quick mod on the DR with a problem I've recently found doing the dusty butt. This is the Acerbis 25 litre tank. It's been on the bike now, well, as far as I know, since new, so 16,000 Ks. And as you can see, it wobbles around a wee bit. It's not too bad just now because it's full. But as it gets down to about half, it does wobble quite a bit. And what's actually happened at the dusty butt was this has come down and contacted one of my HG leads under here and smashed it to pieces. It also sits on the oil cooler guard. So you can see there, it's sitting on the oil cooler guard. Now what I tend to do is, I've got a bit of rubbered hose there that I slide out over there, but every 500 or so Ks again it slides back in and it's hitting on that guard, which is obviously not good. So today we're going to try and rectify that. So I went to Bunnings earlier and I picked up some rubber mats. These were on special, I think they were like $2 a piece. And what I'm going to try and do is space the tank out from the frame, and hopefully that's going to fix the issue. So you can see here, this outer HT lead just got smashed to pieces. Also slightly bent the tip on the spark plug there, but I mean, I'm not too worried about that, because I mean, they're fairly new plugs in there. So I picked up a new HT lead from Adventure Bike Australia. It was about $6 Australian. This is the part number here. An NGK one. You could probably even get that cheaper, maybe even Repco or something to do that with that part number there. So that's how it comes, with the two new rubber bits. So let's quickly change that and then we'll get to modifying the tank. If you pop this rubber piece back and then just unscrew it. It's always a good idea, if you've got a HG lead that is long enough, just to snip the end off. So you're screwing into fresh wire. And if you look inside there, it's just like a brass corkscrew in there. So that just screws into the HG lead. Screw it in. Slide your rubber down. Just putting on some WD-40 just to help it slide on. Your bottom rubber, again just a quick spray of WD. And then job done. So the plan is I'm going to cable tie on some rubber pieces on the backbone here to space it out a bit. So hopefully that works. I'll grab the mat, cut it up and we'll stick it on. Right, let's chuck the tank on again. This is pretty bloody tight actually, but that's what you want. The other thing that helps is if you get a couple of big body washers and put it on your tank bolts, that will help as well. My tank already had them on, but Danny's doesn't, and her tank does wobble around more than mine. Although her tank is nowhere near her oil cooler or her spark plug leads. So it just shows you these plastic tanks are all different. Let's see. There's still quite a bit of movement there. That is the gap there for the HT lead. So it's completely away from that. Before it was sitting on there. The gap there. So I can get a finger in there easy. Before it was sitting on there. So yeah, that's not even touching when I wiggle it. Right folks, that's the cheap way how to fix your tank from either rubbing on your oil cooler guard or touching your HT leads, hopefully. I'll monitor it over the next few thousand Ks and see how it goes. So anyway guys, thanks for watching. Remember and like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.